Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see Duolingo result. So I will just open the application and make sure you will have logged in. So basically in the top left corner you will see I will just learn the French course, and if I just move in this bottom right corner is three dots, and I will just tap on profile. And if I just scroll down, so here is my in overview dashboard. So basically I will be just earn 21 total xp means your experience. So but right now there is no option to see the result. And if I just in the browser I will just search on Google Duolingo English test. So here is the first tab, you will see English test. So you will just logged in or signed up easily, and you will just certify your English anytime anywhere. You will just test online, no appointment needed, and get result in 2 days. And you will just a fraction of cost of the other test, so you will just practice free. So that's it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.